In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you're getting a no signal error on your Panasonic television. So if you've turned on your television and you're just seeing this message that says no signal, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to fix this issue. Now, the first solution is you need to make sure you're connected to the right input mode. Now, you can do this just by grabbing your television remote control, and then you should have a button located on your television remote to control the different input modes of your television. Now, on my TV remote, it's just called this input button at the top here, and I can switch between the TV and AV. Now, depending on your model of television, this button may be slightly different for you. It may be called something like input or mode. And you can see that when I press this, it will take us over to a different input mode on our TV. Now, the different input modes usually correspond to the HDMI cables at the back of your television. So for example, if you have a HDMI plugged into HDMI 1, then you should be able to select HDMI 1 from this list of input modes. So on my television, if I click on this AV button in the top right hand side, that's going to take me over to my television home screen, and then from here I can use the arrow keys to go and select my input mode. So I can try HDMI 1, HDMI 2 and also 3, and you can basically switch between these to find which one works for you. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing to do is to check the HDMI cables that run from the back of your television to your external device. So what you can do here is come around to the back of your television and just locate where your HDMI cables are connected to, and then you can try switching these cables around and try inserting the HDMI cable into a different port. So for example, if it's currently in HDMI 1, you can try swapping it into HDMI 2 or HDMI 3, as there could be an issue with that one particular HDMI port. Another thing you can try doing is actually swapping the HDMI cable itself. If you have a faulty cable, that might be another reason you're seeing the no signal error. Now, if you've tried all of these solutions and it's still not working, the last solution is just to perform a hard reset of your television. Now, to do this, we just need to come round to the back of the TV, and you need to locate the power cord that runs to your television to the wall socket. Now, all we're simply going to do is unplug the television from the wall socket like this, and you'll need to leave this unplugged for around about 2 minutes. At the same time of this being unplugged, you'll also need to locate the power button on your physical television. Sometimes this can be found at the bottom of the television, other times it can be found at the back of the television. But essentially, once you've found this button, you simply need to hold it down for around about 30 seconds, and that would drain any residual power left in your television. Once 30 seconds have passed, we can then release this button on the back, come back over to the wall socket, and once 2 minutes have passed, we can then plug it back into the power. You can then turn on your television and check to see if that's now fixed your issue. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you, and I'll see you with the next one.